Alright, did this with the trim router. You see door panel lifts out perfect. A little bit of sanding and some trim work on it. It should look alright. Better than running a saw on it and trying to cut the saw, you know, where you plunge cut and you have to stop here and then take a coping saw and then cut out the corners, and you know, it's gonna be, you can do it perfect, but this is the first time I've done it with a router, so I wanted to see how close I could get. So we'll see. We're gonna go with that. The 5x8 Modified Benroy Teardrop Camper. This is birch. We do have some maple on here. That's some really. Oh wait, this piece here is maple, and then this is birch. So you can see the difference. You got this one piece of maple. You can see the thing here. I showed you last time. Up there and in here. So we got maple and birch. Anyway, stay tuned. Keep up with the segments. I like to call it a series. Thanks for watching.